Why, Aryan?
मैम मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि मैंने माना है लेकिन भेज नहीं पाए।
ओके, लेकिन आपको 30 जून के पहले सबको भेज देना है। ओके, 30 जून के पहले सबको राइम्स का वीडियो बना के सबको भेज देना है। ओके, आप लोग सबको। ओके, टुडे आवर सब्जेक्ट इज इंग्लिश। टुडे आवर सब्जेक्ट इज इंग्लिश। Take out your English reader book. All of you take out your English reader book. And you have to open
page number 9.
Open page number 10. Our today's topic is AG family words. Our today's topic is AG family words. Okay. So you just look in the book. All of you have taken out your page number 10. Take out page number 10. And today we will read about AG family words. First, we will start with the phonic words. First, we will start with the phonic words.
Bag.
First word is B-A-G, bag. B-A-G, bag. Second is T-A-G, tag. Second is T-A-G, tag. And the third one is R-A-G, rag. One is R-A-G, rag. One minute.
I don't like that.
There is one student is joining first. Sanskriti. Sanskriti, can you hear me? Sanskriti, what you have to do is take out your English reader book, this book, and you have to open page number 10. Take out your English reader book and open page number 10. Okay. Today we are reading about AG family words. First, we will start with the phonic words. What are the phonic words? B-A-G, bag, B-A-G, bag, T-A-G, tag, and R-A-G, rag. Bag, tag, rag. And here are the sight words. Just listen carefully. आप लोग को सबको ध्यान से सुननी है. Here are the sight words. What are the sight words? IT, it, IS, is, TH, the, I, SEEC, HAS, has, IS, is, and IN, in. What are the sight words? IT, it, IS, TH, the, I, SEEC, HAS, has, IS, is, IN, in. Now, we will read this chapter, okay? IT, it, IS, is, BAG, bag. You have to listen carefully that how ma'am is reading the chapter. IT, it, IS, is, BAG, bag. It is a bag. ISEEC, TAG, tag. See a tag. And the next paragraph, TH, the, BAG, bag, HAS has a TAG tag. The bag has a tag. A RH rag. IS in THE the BAG bag. A rag is in the bag. So this is the tag. The tag. And what we can see? I see a tag. Here is a tag. This is a tag. And the next is the bag has a tag. This bag has a tag. A rag is in the bag. This is a rag. A rag is in the bag. So what is the common thing in this chapter? The common thing is every word and sentences ends with AG and the sound comes is ag. The sound comes is ag. Now we will read about AN family words. Okay. Now we will read about AN family words. You all see in page number 11. In page number 11, here are the phonic words. First we will read these words. The first word is BAN, ban. Look at the picture. BAN, ban. After that, CAN, can. CAN, can. FAN, fan. FAN, fan. MAN, man. MAN, man. PAN, pan. PAN, pan. RAN, ran. RAN, ran. TAN, tan. TAN, tan. And VAN, van. VAN, van. Now come in page number 13. You have to come in page number 13. We will read about AN family words. Here are the phonic words. MAN, man. MAN, man. CAN, can. CAN, can. RAN, ran. RAN, ran. PAN, pan. PAN, pan. VAN, van. VAN, van. Now we will read these sight words. A, HAS has, THE the, IS is, TO2, HE, PUT put, and IN in. A, HAS has, THE the, IS is, TO2, HE, PUT put, and IN in. Okay, now we will read the chapter. Okay. A MAN, man. A man. A MAN, man. HAS has. A CAN, can. A man has a can. A man has a can. HE, PUT put. THE the, CAN, can. IN in. THE the, PAN, pan. He put the can in the pan. He put the can in the pan. Next is THE the, MAN, man. RAN, ran. The man ran. THE the, MAN, man. RAN, ran. TO2, THE the, VAN, van. The man ran to the van. So here you can see that here is a man. Here is a man. And man has a can. This is a can. This man has a can. And he put the can in the pan. He put the can in the pan. Here you can see the man ran. The man ran. And the man ran to the van. Where did the man run? The man ran to the van. So what is the common thing here? The common thing is every word and sentences ends with an. The sound comes is an. Okay. So today what we have read about? Today we have learned about AG and AN family words. And what you have to do? After the class, you have to read this chapter again. What you have to do is you have to read this chapter again. You have to practice of reading a chapter. You have listened carefully how ma'am has read the chapter, and you have to read this chapter. Okay, you have to read this chapter again. If you will not read, then you will never know how to read a chapter. So practice of reading a chapter. The next is what we will do? We will do the written work. Okay, we will do the written work. Take out your English copy, all of you. All of you take out your English copy, pencil, eraser, sharpener, whatever you need. Okay, all are ready? First, we will complete the written work of 80 family words. Okay. In the previous class, we have done new words and rhyming words of 80 family. And today, we will do the fill in the blanks and answer the following questions. Wait, I will tell you how you have to write, okay? Here I have written the fill in the blanks. You have already done new words and rhyming words. Now you write down the fill in the blanks. First, you have to give the heading fill in the blanks. First, you have to give the heading fill in the blanks. FILL feel, INN, THE the, BLANKS blanks. FILL feel, INN, THE the, BLANKS blanks. Fill in the blanks. FILL feel, INN, THE the, BLANKS blanks. Fill in the blanks. And the first one is THE the, RAT rat, SAT sat, INN, THE the, HAT hat. The rat sat in the hat. In SAT, you have to give a dash. The first one is THE, the, RAT, rat, SAT, sat, INN, THE, the, HAT, hat. You have to give dash in SAT. THE, the, RAT, rat, SAT, sat, INN, THE, the, HAT, hat. After that, you have to give full stop. In SAT, you have to give dash. And the second one is THE, the, CAT, cat, SAT, sat, ON, on, THE, the, MAT, mat. The cat sat on the mat. The cat sat on the mat. In mat, you have to give dash. And after that, you have to give full stop. THE, the, CAT, cat, SAT, sat, ON, on, THE, the, MAT, mat. The cat sat on the mat. And the third one is THE, the, CAT, cat, IS is FAT, fat. The cat is fat. THE, the, CAT, cat, IS is FAT, fat. In fat, you have to give dash. After that, you will give full stop. The first one is the rat sat in the hat. The second is the cat sat on the mat. And the third one is the cat is fat. The first one is the rat sat in the hat. The second one is the cat sat on the mat. And the third one is the cat is fat. Okay, just raise your hand, those who have completed. You have to just raise your hand, okay?
मैं कंप्लीट हो गया है.
Just raise your hand, don't talk, just raise your hand. Okay, Aradhya Varman has completed. And Advik completed.
I have done.
Okay. Sanskriti, Tanmay Raj also completed. Harshvardhan also completed. Aradhya Sahu, Divya Jha also completed. Okay. Arushi, you have completed. Okay. Next, we will do answer the following questions. Okay.
Next we'll do.
Next, we will do answer the following questions.
यहाँ पर कौन लाइन देगा?
बाद में जो
तो दे देते हैं ना.
Okay. You can easily see in the screen. The
Yeah.
fourth one is answer the following questions.
the fourth
You
one.
first
Fourth number.
give the heading. Answer the following questions. ANS WER answer. ANS WER answer. THE
आंसर
किया जाता है.
देखना बेटा अभी पार हो जाएगी मैम. देखना आंसर AM
and following QUESTIONS questions. Answer the following questions. ANS WER answer. THE the FOLLOWING following QUESTIONS questions. Answer the following questions. After that, you have to underline it. And the first question is, question number 1 is, where does the rat sat? WHERE, where. DOES, does. THE, the. RAT, rat. SAT, sat. Where does the rat sat? And after that, you have to give question mark. WHERE, where. DOES, does. THE, the. RAT, rat. SAT, sat. Where does the rat sat? And after that, you have to give question mark. And the answer is, the cat sat on the mat. The cat sat on the mat. THE, the. CAT, cat. SAT, sat. ON, on. THE, the. MAT, mat. THE, the. CAT, cat. SAT, sat. ON, on. THE, the. MAT, mat. After that, you have to give full stop. The cat sat on the mat. Question number 2 is, where is the rat? Question number 2 is, where is the rat? WHERE, where. IS is. THE, RAT, rat. Where is the rat? After that, you have to give question mark. Where is the rat? Give question mark. And the answer is, the rat is in the hat. The rat is in the hat. THE, the. RAT, rat. IS is. IN, in. THE, the. HAT, hat. The rat is in the hat. After that, you have to give full stop. Question number 1 is, where does the rat sat? After that, question mark. And the answer is, the cat sat on the mat. Full stop. Question number 2 is, where is the rat? Question mark. Answer is, the rat is in the hat. Full stop. The rat is in the hat. And you have to write neatly.
ओ ये वाला नहीं पागल, वो वाला भी लिखना है, वो वाला वो सब बच्चा लिख लिया वो वाला पहले ही। मैं लिख लिया।
Okay, those who have completed, just sit quietly.
मैम हम भी लिख लिए।
Okay, जिसका हो गया चुप से बैठ जाइए, ठीक है? Let the others complete. सबका complete होने देते हैं.
Okay. पढ़िए स्पेलिंग तब तक पढ़िए तो क्या लिखा हुआ?
One is answer the following questions. Question number 1 is, where does the rat sat? And the answer is, the cat sat on the mat. Question number 2 is, where is the rat? And the answer is, the rat is in the hat.
मैं कोशिश कर ले ऐसे से पढ़ते जाना, तो तुम तो ऐसे करते
द्वार में मत पढ़ाइए उसको, ऐसा पढ़ाइए।
चलिए अच्छा पढ़िए स्पेलिंग।
number 1 is where does the rat sat? And the answer is the cat sat on the mat. And question number 2 is where is the rat? And the answer is the rat is in the hat. Okay, just raise your hand. Those who have completed, just raise your hand. हाथ ऊपर करना है. Okay. दिव्य झा, आराध्या शाह completed. हर्षवर्धन, just raise your hand.
बोलो नहीं हुआ मान लो।
मैम
यहाँ पे पूछ रहा है कि चूहा कहाँ बैठा हुआ है।
Yes, Sahu also.
अब बोल रहे
Rick, you have
बिल्ली
completed.
बैठा हुआ है।
नहीं हुआ।
मैम पहला क्वेश्चन आंसर करिए।
पहला
क्वेश्चन
10
रेट लिखवाया है क्वेश्चन में और आंसर में कैट लिखवाया है। आंसर
Completed.
मैम
All of you have completed.
बोलिए दूसरी।
मैम
Just raise your hand.
I have one question. I have one
Just
question बोलने
हाथ
नहीं
ऊपर
आता।
करनी है. Okay.
इसीलिए जो
बोलो कंप्लीट हो गया।
कंप्लीटेड हो गया। मैम सही ना
कैसे बताएं हटा दिए तो।
ये वाला
Yes.
I have one question.
I have one question.
Radhya Varman, you want to say anything?
बोलिए yes ma'am. Yes
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
I have one question. I have one doubt
Okay,
question.
ask.
पूछे है और आंसर में कैट का बता रहा है।
पहला क्वेश्चन में और आंसर में कैट का पूछे है।
डी मत लिखो, डी लिखने बोलो।
हाँ बैठा हुआ पूछिए तो यहाँ पे लिखवा दी कैट बैठा हुआ है। यहाँ रेट होगा कैट नहीं होगा।
हो गया बेटी को करो।
बेटी को
डी लिखना है।
गलत लिखवाई।
अरे नहीं भाई जो नहीं लिखी वो बच्चा नहीं लिखी पढ़ रही है। मैम
बेटी को ठीक से लिखो।
मनु
मैम मैम
Yes, Radhya. आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही ठीक से बेटा.
Where does
where does
the rate set?
red say
मम्मी ठीक से ये आ रहा है तो फिर स्टॉक लिखो।
रेट कहाँ पे कैट बैठा है तो सेड उसमें
नहीं करना, ठीक है।
रेट का बारे में पूछे और आंसर में कैट के बारे में। और आदिया कहाँ बैठी है पूछिए
अगली बॉल बात लिख।
Okay, in the before class, I have given you something. In the
Excuse
before
me,
class,
ma'am.
इसको कैट करना है, कैट हटा के सेलेक्ट कर दो।
ऑटोमेटिक कोई मोबाइल वा है ऐसी
ओहो
होगा
आप नहीं
मम्मा ये वाला नहीं करवा दूंगी मैं
सीखना
ये वाला नहीं
आप
करवा दूंगी
डाल दिया करते था इसमें एप्स
All of you have completed now. In the before class, I have given you something to learn. मैम ने कुछ लर्न करने के लिए दिया था ना? You all have done your homework. You have learned all the things. I have given you rhyming words and new words to learn.
बिफोर क्लासेस क्या बोल रही थी ना
I have given you new words and rhyming words to learn.
रैमिंग और रैमिंग वर्ड्स बोले
क्या
रैमिंग वर्ड्स बताएगी मैं उर्दू जानती है ना बता दे
I will ask you the spellings. You have to tell the spellings, okay? I will ask you some spellings. You have to tell me the spellings.
देखिए तो लास्ट वाला बोलेगी और आपको तो बोलना होगा।
Aradhya Burman,
yes ma'am
tell me the spelling of mat.
मैं
I'm mat
M-A-T, mat. Very good. Advik, tell me the spelling of hat.
इसके बारे में पूछ रही
एडिसन
Advik
कढ़ाई है
एडिसन बोली है मैं बोलने रैमिंग वर्ड्स में दे
हाँ
आपको
तो एटी साउंड वाला जो आता है वो बोलना है मैं एटी में आ रही थी
80 family words.
Advik को बोले
एडविक कोई नाम है किसी का हाँ नाम मुझे पता है
Aradhya Sahu,
एडविक नाम कोई लड़का का
you have learned all the new words.
क्वेश्चन
राधा सामने
Okay, Aryan, tell me the spelling of bat.
दो को बोल चेंज कर दो बढ़िया
Aryan, tell me the spelling of bat.
अब बोलो
मेरा हुआ सुन लेता
जरूर इधर पे इसको लगी करो
Aryan, I can't hear you.
oh like
बोलो
Swardan, tell me the spelling of bat.
BAT bat
Very good. And pat.
MAT bat
Bat.
bat
Tanmay. Okay, very good. Tanmay Raj.
ये नहीं करता फिर इसकी बोलवा
Tanmay Raj, say the spelling of rat.
rat
Very good. Spelling of sat.
cat
Very good.
बोला है
Arushi, listen here. Tell me the spelling of at.
बोल देना हम भी तेरा काम नहीं करते हैं तो बच्चे को बूढ़े की तरह
ऐसा वर्ड बोलना है जिससे कोई
बोल देना लेकिन तेरा काम नहीं कर रहे।
Okay, now all of you listen here. टाइम हो गया है, अभी आप लोगों को क्या करना है? What you have to do is you have to read the chapter again.
देखो ये जो
You have
चैप्टर
to
अभी पढ़ाई है ना,
read the chapter G and A and family words,
इसको पढ़ाई करना है, इसको पढ़ाई करना है, सर इसको
you have to learn the spelling of the phonic words. Okay, you have to read the chapter AG and AN family words and you have to read the chapter.